Advance with steady steps, detecting equipment for the journey. Let us embark on this technological ascent.
Climbing. This is iterative empowerment of mechanical innovation. Piacistas becomes the steps to overcome obstacles ahead. Difficulty, confusion, perseverance, breakthrough. Let the hardships on the road ahead forge extraordinary quality.
CATEK Spire Premium Custom Series. Top configurations for redefined efficient production. The entire series is equipped with top international configurations, increasing efficiency by 40%. Taiwan Syntex 6 ODC system, high response and precise control, equipped with an electronic handwheel to making operation more convenient and efficient. Taiwan HIWIN P-Class 30 rail, extra wide guideway for rigid support and ultra-high stability, plus micron-level accuracy and low wear. Taiwan YYC high-precision helical racks, smoother transmission, higher efficiency, minimal precision error. TBI high-precision ground ball screw, great rigidity, better wear resistance, built for complex workpiece machining. 1300 W Yaskawa bus-type servo motor plus SHIMPO planetary reducer. It delivers an ultra-high spindle speed of 135 meters per minute and ensures a repeat positioning accuracy of 0.001 millimeters. Delta inverter plus Italy HD 9 kilowatts AT spindle. 24,000 revolutions per minute ultra-high spindle speed. Powerful and dynamic. 1.5 liters large capacity electric lubricating bottle of oil. It allows customization oil injection strategies, ensures 24-hour uninterrupted high-speed operation. Heavy-duty bed plus thickened gantry. Improved machine rigidity to ensure stability during high-speed operation. 11 kilowatts vane-type oil-free vacuum pump. Provide 10 strong vacuum suction, matching the Spire machine's high processing efficiency. 7.5 kilowatts pulse cyclone dust collector. Paired with a fully enclosed cable chain, it effectively blocks 95% of dust and boasts a 98% maintenance-free rate. Rear loading rollers plus side auxiliary device. Paired with high-precision cylinder positioning, loading has never been easier. Linear tool magazine design. 0.5-second fast tools change. Seamless switching between 12 tools, increasing efficiency by 60%. Automatic pressure rollers plus 6-zone vacuum table. Deliver dual locking precision, 50% increase in board fixity. Bed tail dual control button. No need to turn back after loading. Processing efficiency increased by 30%. 70 millimeters extra thick anodized aluminum plate. Enhance the rigidity and corrosion resistance of the Z-axis to improve machine operating stability. Power interlock switch. Power off when the door is open to enhance electrical safety. Spire series electrical system standard Schneider Omron components. Phase sequence, surge, thermal overload protection, ground terminal block for full electrical safety. Exclusive mechanical code. Get fast after-sales service and a 5 years free warranty. An industry-first quick installation guide makes installation easy even for beginners. Includes a warranty card and certificate of conformity for worry-free after-sales support. A wide variety of free accessories are included to meet diverse processing needs. Forged to rigorous standards and equipped with top-tier configurations, the CATEK Spire CNC router is more than a machine. It's a revolution redefining industry benchmarks. Join the journey because true excellence never walks alone.
CATEK. See you at the top.